Okay, so this is Tasker here. First thing that happens is I have something that says if I don't have a Wi-Fi connection on my phone connected to the Wi-Fi at my house, or maybe at my brother-in-law's or father-in-law's house, what happens is the Bluetooth turns on. That's what the green arrow is. This has a little operation that says, okay, if I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi at any of these 3 locations, turn on the Bluetooth. When I am connected to those Wi-Fi locations, the Bluetooth turns off. That's pretty much the only thing I use the Bluetooth for, is when I'm in the car. I usually don't really use it. So after that happens, once Tasker sees that Bluetooth has been turned on, there's another operation that happens. So it says here, it connects to the Bluetooth EcoBoost Mustang. You can name it whatever you want, but anyways, I named mine Connect Bluetooth to EcoBoost Mustang. Anyways, so what happens is the Wi-Fi tethering on the phone operation happens. So hotspot turns on my phone when the Bluetooth is on. When Bluetooth is turned off, the Wi-Fi hotspot turns off, okay? And then this one right here, basically Monday through Friday, I have it set up from 6:50 a.m. till 10 p.m. The ringer is turned on. That's only Monday through Friday. And then when it's like Saturday and Sunday, I don't care. But anyways, after 10 p.m. the ringer turns off on my phone. I don't have to monkey around with anything or fall asleep and then wake up because freaking ringer was still on and I got a message from something or someone. But anyways, I'm gonna show you kind of what happens here. Now, the Tesla head unit is still connected to my Wi-Fi at home. I'm still close enough, but I can show you the operation happening on the phone. And right here, you can see that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi at home as well. So let's do this. I'm gonna turn this off, and then you'll see this changes here. No Wi-Fi connection, a Bluetooth turned on, and tethering turned on. So now you'll see these change to green. That means those operations are active. So far, the Tesla hasn't connected to the phone's Wi-Fi yet, but if I pull the car out and start driving off, and once the Wi-Fi drops off from the house, then it's going to connect to my phone's hotspot. That happens with no issues. I don't remember if I have any tasks here or not. Tasker. So what I did with Tasker on the Tesla radio is I created a couple little operations buttons. One is play, one is next, one is previous. And the play basically toggles between pause and play. And then next, well, I'm sure you guys can figure out what next is and previous. The reason I did this is so that when I'm playing music from, let's say from Google Play, once this loads up here, I'm gonna show you. See how tiny these buttons are here? With Tasker, you can create buttons that are a little bit bigger, so that you're not like, oh shit, driving and trying to fumble around. I put them all on the left side so I can hit play and, whatever, just be on my way. Turn it down, I don't want any copyrights. These buttons at the bottom, I'm using Nova Launcher. You can double tap and they go away, giving you a nice big, crisp, clean screen. You can double tap, bring it back. If you triple tap, you can get to this live wallpaper that I have. Again, these are the tasks that are running, and once I come back home and get out of the car, basically Bluetooth is going to turn off because it doesn't see a connection. So it says, hey, I'm not connected to the Mustang, so go ahead and turn that Wi-Fi back on and it'll turn off the hotspot. I hope some of this information helps you guys.
Different about the fans?
Yeah, there was more than 2 of them.
That's not the point. Did you notice the quality of the fan?
I'm calling. little.
different about the fans?
Yeah, there was more than two of them.
That's not the point. Did you notice the quality of the fans?
I'm calling birds flying high. She said birds flying high. Birds flying high. Birds flying high. Birds flying
Ryan Little.